The current age of Pisces, represented by the fish, is coming to a close. Some of its characteristics are faith, obedience, and submission to authority. The next age is that of Aquarius, the water bearer. We are already receiving some influence from Aquarius because that sign is more scientific. It is more intellectually inclined. It is airy, independence, and initiative driven. That is the character of Aquarius. It means that the more people become intellectually inclined, the less faith-based teachings will convince them. People of today and the young ones who will be born, because they will have the influence of Aquarius so much, they will be less convinced with faith-based explanations. They will seek rational, scientific, spiritual explanation to their inquiries about matters of religion and spirituality.